Hola amigos y amigas de Mindful Spanish with Sergio. I am Sergio, and in today's lesson we're going to learn the Spanish alphabet, el alfabeto español. In fact, we're going to learn the letters and the sounds. In Spanish, some letters have only one sound, and this sound they make is very similar to the sound they make in English. But some other letters have more than one sound, and this is a problem here. So later, if you want to go over these letters with more than one sound, you can check my playlist, Letters and Sounds, and you can check all these difficult letters that you usually have problems with, okay? But now we have to focus on the alphabet. So please try to say out loud all the words and sounds that you hear in Spanish, okay? It's gonna help you start getting pronunciation in Spanish, little by little, all right? So let's start. Empezamos. This is the alphabet. Este es el alfabeto español. You can see we go from the A to the Z, nothing special. And we've got 29 letters, okay, according to the RAE, Real Academia de la Lengua. But you've got 30 here. Why? How come? ¿Por qué? Because I've written here the double R, okay, as you can see here, to check the sound and the way it works within a word. Yes? So we're going to start from the beginning. We're going to go over the whole alphabet A to Z, and then we're going to go one by one. All right? Are you ready? Here we go. So we start with A. A de Ana, like my mother, Ana. Hola, Ana. Then B. B for Barcelona. B de Barcelona. You know Barcelona, right? Messi, blah, blah, blah. Okay. C. C de casa. As you can see with the red square, it means that this is one of those special letters that we have to take into account, and you can check how it works on one of those videos I have on the playlist, okay? So here it would be C, casa, k sound, k, casa, or here you can have in the middle of the word fácil. It sounds like fácil. Casa, fácil, okay? Okay, it's easy, don't worry, don't get worried. No hay problema. Despacito. Okay, ch, this is very Spanish. Ch, salchicha. Okay, salchicha. You love salchichas, no? Sausages, salchicha. D for despacito. Fancy. Despacito. Despacito. And then we have E. E for E de él, he, or E de ella, ella. Okay, she, he, and she. Él, ella. Muy bien. Very good. F. F for fácil. Fácil, okay? F, fácil. And then we have G. G in the sentence. This is one of those letters, okay? With double sound again, making double sound. So the letter itself is G. For example, G de guapa, beautiful, guapa, or handsome, guapo, guapa, guapo. Okay, we'll check that. H. Be careful with the H. H is a silent sound, okay? We don't pronounce H. It's like here, hola. We don't say hola. No, hola. Hola. Hola, hello, hola. Hola, Ana, my mother. Okay, and we have E. E de Italia. E for Italia, E. Okay, that's easy. Now we have J. Okay, this H here is for the sound, J. Like the month, Julio. Okay, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Julio. Or a noun. Hey, Julio. Hola, Ana. Okay, and we have K. The sound is K, and for example, kilo. In English, we have kilo as well, okay? Kilo, K, kilo. L, loco, crazy, loca, okay? Yo estoy loco, tú estás loco, tú estás loca, Alright, okay. And por ejemplo, for example, elle now. Elle, okay? It's not double L, elle. Like my town in the south of the Spain, Sevilla. Sevilla, ya. Sevilla. ¿Sí? Vale. M. M for Madrid. Madrid. You know Madrid, the capital of Spain. I was living there for 20 years. Great city. You have to visit someday when you improve your Spanish here. M, Madrid. N de... No. Sí, yes. No. Okay. This is a very Spanish sound. Ñ. And we use it in the name of the country. España. Ña. Ñ. España. O de oreja. Ear. Oreja. Ojo. Okay. Ojo. O. P para paella. P de paella. Ñam, paella. Okay, check my playlist. I love cooking. You have a recipe here. There. Not here. There. Okay, paella. Paella. Q sounds like K. Q. Like K. Q. But in a different use in the word. Okay. Queso. Okay. Queso. Cheese. Queso. Oh, muy bien. Seguimos. We continue. R. Oh, this is one of those letters that gonna give you some problems, but not here. We sort it out. R. Pero. But. Pero ¿por qué? But why? Pero. Ro. Pero. Double R. Perro, which is dog. Dog. Perro. Pero. Perro. Perro. ¿Sí? Muy bien. Ok, very good. S de Sergio, por ejemplo. Sergio. Hey, Sergio. Hey, Ana. Ok. T for tú. Ok. Él, he, ella, she, tú. Tú, you, tú. ¿Vale? Bien. And then we have you in English. In Spanish, u. For example, hurricane. Remember that the H, we don't pronounce it, it's silent H, yes? We don't say huracán. No. We say huracán. Perfect. V. Be careful with this one. In English, we have B for Barcelona and V for Valencia. In Spanish, they have exactly the same sound, okay? We don't make any differences here. It's B. Barcelona, V, B. B. For example, vamos, like Rafa Nadal. Vamos. It's not vamos. No. Vamos, okay? It's B sound. B. Vamos. W. It depends on where you're speaking Spanish. In Latin America and in the south of Spain, in the north of Spain, we have different names for this. So I would say W. It's like V, double, doble, okay, V. And for example, you can see it in kiwi, we, kiwi. We, it's like French, we, near, we, kiwi. Okay, X. Encontramos, we find X, for example, in the middle of Mexico. The word, not the city. And we don't say Mexico, we say Mexico, okay? Mexico in Spanish, Mexico in English. It's not with a J. We don't say Mexico like this, okay? We say Mexico like this, Mexico. And Y. This is a Greek letter, Y, and the sound is different, to double sound, okay? It makes double sound. You check on the video. So Y could be yo, I, yo, or at the end of the word, boy. It's like a E sound, like here, E. So yo or boy. Okay, check the video. It's very easy, don't worry. And the last one, Z. Z is like the here, Z. Okay, like in zapato, shoe, my shoes, mis zapatos. Where are my shoes? ¿Dónde están mis zapatos? Zapatos, see? Okay, so again, the letters with the red square, check the video on my playlist and you can see the difference and get used to them. It's very simple, don't worry about it. And the rest, you know it, we can repeat it now if you want. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Y, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bien, no? It's easy, right? You got it. Okay, people, this is the basis of the alphabet in Spanish, of the sounds. Once you know this, you can reach for the stars, okay? You need to learn this very, very well. Any questions you have, don't doubt to send me a comment or an email or whatever you need. Yes, I'll be here waiting for you. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot and I hope to see you in my next videos. Every week, you know, I'll be here waiting for you. Bye bye. Adios.